Hi everyone. Today in this video I am going to solve some examples on forward and backward differences. So to solve this, let us move to the whiteboard. Hello students. So today we are going to learn about how to construct the forward and backward difference table. So let us take an example. Construct a forward difference table of x value are 0, 5, 10, 15, 0, 5, 10, 15, 20 and 25, and y values are 7, 11, 14, 18, 24 and 32. Okay, solution for this. This is solution. So let us write here x value, then you can write y value. They are asked to find the forward difference table means, which is denoted by first value, that is delta y, second value is delta square y, third value is delta cube y, fourth value is delta raised to 4y, and fifth value is delta raised to 5y. Now write down the values for x. The values for x is equal to, first value is 0, then next value is 5, then next is 10, 15, 20 and the last value is 25. Now write down the values for y, which is given. The value for y is 7, next value is 11, next 14, next 18, next 24 and the last value of y is 32. Now here, to find the first forward difference, you can take second value minus first value. What is 11 minus 7? 11 minus 7 is equal to 4. So I will write here 4. Next, what is 14 minus 11? 14 minus 11. 14 minus 11 is equal to 3. So you can write here 3. Continue in the same way. 18 minus 14 is equal to 4. 24 minus 18 is equal to 6. 32 minus 24 is equal to 8. Then again, to find the second forward difference table, so 3 minus 4. 3 minus 4 is equal to minus 1. 4 minus 3 is equal to plus 1. 6 minus 4 is equal to plus 2. And 8 minus 6 is equal to 2. Continue in the same way. To find third difference, 1. This is 1 minus and this minus 1. So this minus 1 is total, you will get 2. That is second term minus first term is equal to 2. This is 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. Next, fourth difference, 1 minus 2 is equal to minus 1. 0 minus 1 is equal to minus 1. And at last, minus 1 minus into minus plus 1. So total you will get 0. At last, what you will get? Minus 1. This is second term. Minus this is first term. So total you will get 0. Now take second example. Construct a backward difference table of, I will take the same example so that you can find the difference between the forward and backward difference table. So in this case, write down first x value. So this is x value. Then second y value. In case of backward difference table, you can use the notation del. So that is del of y. Second backward difference is del square y. Third backward difference is del cube y. Fourth backward difference is del raised to 4y. And fifth backward difference is del raised to 5y. So then write down the x values. The x values are 0, 5, 10, 15, 20 and 25. Write down the values for the y which is given 7, 11, 14, 18, 24 and 32. In this case also, you have to find the first backward difference table by second term minus this first term. 11 minus 7, you will get 4. 14 minus 11, 3. 18 minus 14, 4. 24 minus 18, 6. And 32 minus 24, you will get 8. Second backward difference table is again 3 minus this 4. 3 minus 4 is equal to minus 1. 4 minus 3 is equal to 1. 6 minus 4 is equal to 2. And 8 minus 6 is equal to 2. For the third backward difference table, 1 minus into this minus 1 is equal to 2. 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. And 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. Next, fourth backward difference table, 1 minus 2 is equal to minus 1. And 0 and minus 1 is equal to minus 1. At last, minus into this minus 1. So here you will get minus. Second term minus this first term. So what you will get? You will get 0. I will explain the last term. Minus 1 is the second term. Minus 1 is the previous term. And if you simplify, you will get 0. So this is backward difference table. Now, if you see the difference between both the tables, forward difference table as well as the backward difference table, I have given the same example to construct a backward as well as forward difference table. If you see the first one here and here, both the values are same, whereas only differ in forward difference table we are denoting it as delta y, whereas in backward difference table we are denoting it as del y. So this is the difference between the forward difference table as well as the backward difference table. You have to subtract the first term from the second term, that is second term minus first term. Go on continuing in the same way. So if you see both the tables, both the values are one and the same. Here it starts with 4, ends with 0 in forward difference table. In backward also it starts with 4 and ends with 0. So both the values are one and the same, whereas they are only differ in their notations. In forward difference table we are using delta, whereas in backward difference table we are using delta y. So this is the main difference between the forward difference table as well as the backward difference table. In case of forward difference table, these values are called as the leading forward values. These values are called as the leading forward values, whereas in case of backward difference table, these values are called as the leading backward difference values. The last line, that is 32, 8, 2, 0, minus 1 and 0. They are called as the leading backward values. And in case of forward difference table, these values 7, 4, -1, 2, -1 and 0. These values are called as the leading forward values. Now you can take one more example. Construct forward and backward difference table. Also write the leading forward and backward values. So the given values for x and y are. So here it is x, and next write down y values. The x values are 40, 50, 60, 70, 80 and 90. Whereas the values for y are 184, 204, 226, 250, 276, 304. So first construct a table. I will write x value, then y value. Here I will write delta y or del y for forward as well as for the backward. Similarly, delta square y or del square y. Here I will write delta cube y or del raised to cube y. Write down the values for x. The x values are 40. Next value is 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. Write down the values for y. 184, 204, 226, 250, 276 and the last value is 304. Now for forward as well as backward difference table, we have to use the same rule, second term minus first term. Here second term is 204 and first term is 184. What is 204 minus 184? You will get 20. Next, what is 226 minus 204? It is 22. Next, 250 minus 226, 24. Next, 276 minus 250, you will get 26. And the last 304 minus 276, you will get 28. Continue in the same way. 22 minus 20, you will get 2. Next, 24 minus 22, you will get 2. 26 minus 24, you will get 2. And 28 minus 26, again you will get 2. Now for the last one, 2 minus 2, you will get 0. 2 minus 2, 0. 2 minus 2, 0. So next fourth as well as fifth difference is not necessary because here you will get fourth backward difference is also 0 here. Now, from the same table, we have to write down the leading forward values. The leading forward values are 184, then 20, then 2 and 0. So, these are the leading forward values. Whereas, the leading backward values are 304, 28, 2, 0 If you want, you can take this 0 also. So this is 0. So these are the leading backward values, and these are called as the leading forward values.